everybody, hello friends, I'm back again. What you saw in the intro, it was the new Lego motor, and I'm gonna show you how I made it. But first, to the workshop. Ah! Okay, let's start the thing now. I'm gonna show you how the engine works. Wait, before all that, I have to explain how a gear reduction works. So let's do it. First, before we start, I have to get the blueprint. It should be right there. Perfect. Wait a minute.
Hours later.
Perfect. To the topic. The engine works by using a pulley connected to a gearbox. A gearbox works by increasing the speed because the small gear has to spin faster because due to the bigger gear having a higher gear count. Notice the small gears are spinning faster than the gears that are the exact same size. If you need a visible education, this is how fast it goes. That's how the Lego engine works. Thank you so much for watching the video. As always, goodbye!